Hey everyone, TNT Moto here. All right, so about a year and a half ago, I announced that I would be doing a dual 1989 CR250R build. I would be building two bikes side by side, one OEM and one completely different. Now, due to unforeseen circumstances, I was not able to continue with those builds. I did the initial teardown and then I had to stop. And I moved on to the 1989 CR500 build. Now, if you haven't seen that, you can check it out in a link right up here. The bike turned out very good and it sold very fast. So now we are going back to that dual 1989 CR250 build, and I'm very excited about it. So let's just check out that teardown right now. All right, everyone. So there it is, the teardown of the 1989 CR250s. We have officially started this dual build. So I thank you, all my current subscribers, for coming out and watching. And if you're new to the channel, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button now, because right after this is posted, there will be another upload with something very special announced in it. And if you're not a subscriber, you will not be able to be part of it. So subscribe, leave some comments, share with your friends, and I'll catch you all next video.